So are we live? Yes, we are live. I think we are live. Yeah, we are live. Okay. Just a sec. So, alright, everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using MERN and Typescript. And if you like this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And let's get started. Right. Let's see the front end. See the backend. Live. Backend started. Npm run as started this one. Right. So there we go. Localhost 7 test user 2 test user 2 login. So this was done. Now we have to create the now I need to create this upload button and the upload page. So let's get started. SRC pages, profile page. Then after this, components, profile page, profile container, and then just a sec is the health file. Yeah, the health is fine. Then after this, user profile page container, user posts, then user post. Alright. So here, this, I'll just do a span tag and see what am I getting. Create post. Here, last name will be text white. Alright, let's see. Yep, create post. Just a sec. And I need to check user. Am I getting it here? User posts, user profile container, user info. Am I getting the user here? Yes, I'm getting the user here. User is here. Just a sec. Samir Bhandari. Hello Samir, welcome to my stream. Don't you use AI? I use AI only for front-end design and debugging part. For this project, I am not using AI IDs like Cursor or Anti-Gravity because this project is for my own learning, and I am using AI only for debugging and front-end part. Heth Patel. Hello Heth Patel, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Biryan 3605. Hey Biryan, welcome to my stream. Hey, you should make a reminder on YT that you stream today. Okay, I'll try that from next time. Okay, so सूरज भाई अभी भी को पायलट यूज़ नहीं किया ब्रो मेरा को पायलट का कोटा कंप्लीट हो गया है जस्ट बाय राइटिंग दी कमिट मैसेजेस मेरा को पायलट का कोटा कंप्लीट हो गया है सो या and welcome to my stream, Suraj Dai, Heth Patel. If I may ask, how did YouTube come in your mind? Basically, YouTube came in my mind because I was searching for SaaS vlogs, if there was any developer who was creating SaaS and was documenting that journey properly. but like I could not find any good content, so I thought, why not me? I should try to build my SaaS and show my journey to everyone. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Boo270. Hello, Boo. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? How you get motivation to code every day? I feel motivated seeing you. Oh, thank you, Boo. See, it's not about motivation, it's about discipline and consistency. I don't rely on motivation. So, like, I have this, I think that if I have to achieve something, I have a plan in my head. All I need to do is put the effort, and I have to put it every single day. That's it. I don't like to complicate things. So, that's what I'm doing. So, is that you have used in ask mode or agent? I just did it for this part here. When I was committing this button, I was pressing generate commit message, and by this only it got quota got finished. Heth Patel, your communication skills are superb. Thank you, Heth Patel. Thanks a lot, brother. Okay, so here instead of this, just a sec, am I getting user posts here? Use params, username, I'm getting the username here. Then in my here I need the user from state. All right, so let's get the const logged in user. Just a sec, I think I did it here. Const, yeah, yeah, I can do this here as well. This, I'll do this here, and const, this will be, hold on, user select by me, user post, hold on, start owner, button, comments count, just a sec. User info, in user info I did logged in user part. Yeah, I did this here. User profile container, I'll just do the same thing here. Logged in user, I'll do use selector. State will be root state from store. So this is my logged in user, and here I'll do, where is it, user profile container, where was the span tag? Not here, I won't need it here. I needed user profile. Just a sec, guys. Yup, not here. In my const logged in user, I need to do in user post section. Here I'll do that. Here, this I got user posts, and in user posts, okay, and I can get the user from the params here. Just here, selector, root state, this I got. Then I'll get the const user name equals, just a sec. Yep, not here. Hold on, just a sec. In here, where am I getting the user, this thing? I'm getting it here, so I'll get it here. I have the username, I have the logged in user, right? In this user, this is not required. Just a sec. Here I got this, here I got this, and in my user profile container I got both, right? And then what I can do, basically user posts, user info, here I can do a p tag, span and span. Okay, here I can do this thing, create post class name text white. Here I got this. Yup, I got this one here. Now this will be a conditional rendering. Here I'll see that if username equals to no, if logged in username, yep, if logged in user dot username equals to username, right? Only then and I'll show this span, then create post, and here I can do class name text white. Here we got this is here for user 2 I'm getting, and am I seeing this for user 1? No, I'm not seeing this for user 1. Okay, all right. Suraj Bhai, today one more vibe coded tool is live. Free course generator from job description to free roadmap plus course. That's wonderful, Suraj. Tanveer, hello Tanveer, welcome to my stream, brother. Sir, do you know Anwar Current? No, I don't know Anwar Current. Samir Bhandari, Suraj, what did I have to say, bro? Pheronix update. Pheronix today, I'm trying to build the this part. Basically, today I'll try to create the upload post feature. And welcome to my stream, Pheronix. Woo270. Yes, bro. No one on YouTube does live development, just pre-planned tutorials. I love seeing developers coding. Love, please keep coming live. Yeah, sure. Woo270. Thanks a lot, brother. Thanks for liking my streams. Samir Bhandari. At the rate Abhishek Sharma. Can you like say what you are making? And all I mean, I can see, but can you say from your side which stack and all? See, Samir Bhandari, I'm trying to build a full stack social media application using MERN stack and Typescript, and basically, uh, I come live and I work on this project, and if I find any error and if I don't know something, I try to study about it and try to implement it. So basically, I'm trying to show my entire journey how to build a full stack application. Okay, Himanshu. Hello, Himanshu. Welcome to my stream, brother. Hey, bro, what's up? Nothing, Himanshu. Today, I'm trying to build the create post functionality of my app. Suraj Dai, find it on online course with certificate. Okay. Heth Patel, nice. Yep. All right. So if I come here, I'll get this create post. Fine. Now this button, this will be a link basically, because this will be a link, and this will be a link, and I need to import it. This will be a link from your norm, and two, it will take to create post. Create post. Yep, create post button. Just a sec. This, and this I need to style it. Class name, and this can look similar to that one. Just a sec. This can look similar to this button. Okay. So if I go to user info, follow button style, where is it? Follow button, follow. This I'll copy, and this I will copy here. Control C. Our class name is already there, and Control C, this I'll put. Then after this, I'll put this. This one, I'll put it here. Fine. Test user 2. If I come here, create post, but it is looking like this, not like this. Okay. Width. Just a sec. Width should be 100 pixel, maybe 100 pixel, not 100. Yeah, something like, it should be. Yeah, I can maybe this can be a full button. Just a sec. Maybe I can this create post. It should be on the right side. It should be on the right side. Hold on. BG red 500. Okay, this is entire thing only. And here I'll say upload. I'll just say upload. Yep, I'll just say upload, and this is here. Okay. Heth Patel, bro, what was the 12 percent in boards, if I may ask, cause you are a genius? Bro, I'm not a genius, and my 12 percentage was 71.4%. Okay. Then MX Auto, let's do MX Auto. Maybe MX Auto. If I do this is here, but not actually not MX Auto, I need to move it to the left side, right? So maybe I can do a div. This can be a div, this will be a div, and remove MX Auto, make it a flex, class name flex, then justify end. Yep. And I can make it a padding px4, not px, it should align with this px8. Yep, px8 looks nice. And this will be an upload button, and there I'll have I need to create a page called new file, create upload post page dot tsx rafce. Hold on. Yep, this is here. Okay. I need to give the app inside my app. Where is my app? App.tsx. Here, in the protected part only. This one, yeah, I'll copy this username. After this part, I can do something like slash upload post. Here I'll get upload post page, and in this user profile container slash upload post here, slash upload post is here. Just a sec. There we go. And I just put a text of post page. I can say class name will be text white. Yeah, I'm getting this. All right, so this is here. And in lucid react, there's this icon of upload. Okay, all right, so there we go. Here icons, and if I do upload, yeah, something like this, can bring the upload icon here, upload this button, this, and this should be a flex as well. Let's make this flex, justify center items center. Yep, and gap of 4 maybe. No, gap of 4 is too much. Gap of 2. Hold on, but this is too big. What will happen if I do upload icon, which looks better? Upload. Okay. Which theme of VS Code is this? Het Patel. Okay, this theme I need to check in theme section. Color theme. This is basically dark modern. This one. This is the theme. Dark modern theme. I don't know, like, is it the default theme or something like that? It is dark modern theme. Okay. May 93 M Ali 9031. Hello M Ali, welcome to my stream. Where you find front-end UI designs? UI design is built by AI, yeah, like ChatGPT. I'm just using it. Okay, maybe I can make the size a bit small. Any size, yeah, size maybe 16. 16 is fine. Okay, just a sec. Flex, justify center, item center. Okay. Not 16, maybe 20 is fine. No, 20 is too much. 18. Yeah, and reduce the gap as 1. Yeah, gap as 1. This looks better. Okay. Suraj Dai, try open code CLI inside VS Code. It's almost free. Don't use build mode or it will start writing code. Alternate Kilo code extension. Okay, I'll give it a shot someday. Okay, there we go. And if we come here, this is here, and if test user one comes, he's not able to see that. Now if I log out and I come for user one, test user one is here. Fine. If I come to test user one's profile, test user one is able to see that, right? And if I come for a user that does not have a post, user 8, test user 8, test test user 8, login. And after this, if I come here, no posts yet. Okay, maybe I can make this no posts yet a bit down. All right, hold on. Spinner user posts part, no post yet. Maybe I can just make it empty 4. This looks better. No posts yet. Right. Just a sec. And now if I come for test user 2, test user 2, this test user 1, test user 2. If I come here, this is here. Upload post is here. Somebody clicks on it, they'll go here. Now close this, close this, close this. Upload post page, src. Now if I go to page upload post profile page, now I just need to copy this part. Then just copy this part, copy here. I'll just come here and paste here. Paste and import navbar. I'll import the sidebar. Yes. Then here name chat bar. Then in the components of load post page components, I will create upload post form, not form, upload post container, because I will not be using a form. Upload post container dot tsx. There we go. And this will be rafce. Here we go. And instead of this, I will load post container. Now if I click on this, yeah, this is happening, correct? Just a sec. Upload post container, upload profile page, and profile. Is there any default width that I need to give? Hold on, class max width. Flex call, maybe I can give max width and mx auto. Here profile page is our profile container, and I can give this class name here, class name here, and text white just to see. Yup, this is fine. All right. This is, I did this. Now here basically what do I need? If I come here, this form should be there, and for this I'll be using npm react text editor. There's a package called react text editor, which is a React text editor. This is a UI component built in React. This use a webpack customization, motivation, ChatGPT, which OBS. What happened to OBS? What's up with OBS? Is my health stream fine? Any issues with the live stream, stream health? Guys, do let me know if you find any issue in my live stream, like lagging or anything. So there we go. So, which is the best text rich text editor for React, like for creating post? A solid Tiptap, which when it's very modern, built on prose mirror, highly customizable, extremely flexible, tables, mention embeds, markdown support, slate, super flexible and reactish. You control everything, allows building exactly. It's Yanni. Hello, Sergi. Hello, it's Yanni. Welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? React. I think I worked with React. Facebook analytics framework plugin level possible stable and reliable, a bit more boilerplate, less modern feeling than building a post rated best balance for React polishes and modern. If you want to get something on zero pin, React will is the first drop. React will. Okay, let's go with React will. Okay, let's do this. Fine. This is there we go. This is my code. Is it upload post page? Upload post page dot tsx. Then upload post page, then upload post container, upload post container dot tsx. Fine. Then I'll give my APIs. Feed post. Yeah, what's post? Okay. I'll just post dot API dot ts export const. It's Annie. What do you think about Go? See, Golang is a very powerful language. It is getting popular a lot, and like people are developers are using it for building lightweight yet very data heavy applications backend using Go. So it is good. Like I never used it, but it is getting very popular in the industry. Export const create post. Okay, here const response equals API dot post, and this will be my backend API. In my backend, I'll go here. Just a sec. In the backend, login. This one social media application. Here I'll get my posts and create post. Post slash posts slash post slash create post. Fine. Okay. Now in my backend, src controllers post controller create post. Priyanshu Mehla TG780. Bro, I am in 12th class. कितना टाइम लगेगा मर्न स्टैक सीखने में? आपको अगर अच्छे से सीखने में कम से कम 7 to 8 months लगेगा, अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह अच्छे से बनाते हो. 7 to 8 months लगेगा आपको. बेसिक मर्न आप इजीली सीख जाओगे 1 महीने के अंदर. ठीक है, अगर आप जावास्क्रिप्ट आपको आता है. एंड रिएक्ट में आपको 1 महीना, लाइक 2 months मिनिमम लगेगा आपको, क्योंकि 1 महीना आपका रिएक्ट में जाएगा और 1 महीना आपको एक्सप्रेस नोड, ये सब सीखने में लगेगा। वो बेसिक सीखने में आपको 2 महीने लगेंगे, और अगर आपको प्रोजेक्ट वोजेक्ट बना के लाइक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर वाला स्किल चाहिए तो आपको कम से कम 6 to 8 months लगेगा, और वो प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने में लगेगा। This is host.api.ts. This is my backend controller. Backend controller. Is it host controller? This one. This backend route host route. This is the route. Fine. Now let's see. Nice setup. We are very close. Let's buy front-end ditch text editor, image upload, backend properly, and fix few issues in your current code. I break this into 4 clean steps. Fix your post API correct. Upload post container with editor plus image input. Send form data correctly. Image plus content. Backend sanity checks. You're mostly good here. Okay. Fine. Post API. Yes, I'll do this. Okay. First, I need to fix this. Okay. Upload post container. React quill. Okay, upload post container. Upload post container, content, set image, set loading. Okay, handle submit. Okay, then form data. Okay, content. If image, then append image. Fine, correct. Set loading, update create post. This. Original. Okay, fine. And okay, then React quill. Alright, it's not so tough. Yep, it is easy. Okay. So first I need in my post API, this is here, and I need to get my form data here. Create post. Yep, here I'll get the form data, and this will be my form data. Right, my form data. Here I'll pass the form data. I'll pass the form data here. Correct? Okay, this is my form data, correct? And also I'll pass the headers, and this will be content type multi-part form data because we are passing image. All right, just a sec. Where is it? Content type, and this will be multi-part slash form data, multi-part form dash data. Okay, this is done, and then I'll get the response. Right, I'll return response dot data. Just create a sample post and login. Where's my login? Users login. This user 2. Fine. And then I'll create a post. Create post here. We become what we do when nobody is watching. Okay, here no image, then I'll send it here. So what do I get? This I get this. Hold on. Response.data. Okay, this will be async. And here I'll use await. Response.data. Response.data. Yep. Response.data. Done. I'm returning this. All right. फेरोनिक 7 प्रियांशु महिला, अगर तुम 12th में हो तो तुम्हारे बोर्ड्स एग्ज़ाम चल रहे हैं ब्रो, तैयारी कर ले। ओके प्रियांशु महिला, ब्रो आप डेवलपमेंट में कितने टाइम लगेगा सीखने में? प्रियांशु महिला, सी ऐप डेवलपमेंट इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट फील्ड। आपको ऐप डेवलपमेंट में भी बेसिकली आपको बैकएंड तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा। अगर आपको फुल स्टैक मोबाइल ऐप डेवलपर बनना है तो बैकएंड इज़ एन इंडिपेंडेंट आइडेंटिटी। आपको बैकएंड सीखना ही पड़ेगा, और बैकएंड अच्छे सीखने में आपको लगेगा 4 to 5 months। एंड फिर फ्रंट एंड में सिर्फ बेसिकली आपको या तो रिएक्ट नेटिव आप सीखोगे या फ्लिटर, दोनों में से कोई एक चीज़ सीखोगे, है ना। एंड उसको सीखने में आपको अगला और 3 to 4 months लगेगा। सो बेसिकली बैक एंड प्लस फ्रंट एंड आपको सीखने में 8 to 9 months लगेगा। फेरोनिक्स प्रियांशु, फेरोनिक्स मर्न स्टैक आई थिंक 1 year में तो हो जाएगा आराम से। हाँ फेरोनिक्स 1 year काफ़ी है प्रियांशु मेरा। या ब्रो 18 से। प्रियांशु मेरा ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर बोर्ड्स ब्रदर, ऑल द बेस्ट। बट यू नो लाइक try to do good, but don't take too much stress. It is fine. It is not the end of the world, just letting you know. But your responsibility is to give your best efforts, so focus on that. All right, so here we go. And if I come here, I'll come here, test user. We become what we do when nobody is watching. Correct. Fine. If I come here, yeah, this is happening. Upload post. Yep. This is done. API section is done. Now if I come here, this is done. Then I'll use npm install react quill. Let's see how this works. React quill. Hold on. What is the issue? Unable to resolve dependency tree. On a front end could not from react quill to react quill from the root project. Fix the upstream dependency conflict. For a full report, okay, let's see what is the issue here. Let's see npm I react quill. I think something changed here. React quill, npm I react quill, npm I react quill. If I paste it here, yep, okay, npm error. Latest version 18 hours ago. Okay, I did this, so hold on. If I come here, okay, this one React 19 comparatively not your fault. Has officially updated your dev. Has use Tiptap instead of React. Okay, quill React plus Tiptap. Okay. Okay, I will use Tiptap. Perfect choice, you were solid. Okay, and Tiptap. Alright, reusable editor, post editor. Small backend safety. Sanitize, important for ditch text. Since Tiptap and HTML, protect yourself from XSS. Okay. Give me the full code. Priyanshu Mehla, thanks bro. Welcome Priyanshu. And by the way, this is my backend model. I'll give the backend model src models post model. What's good about your model? Okay. Okay, post owner model. Where's my model? Post model owner should be required. Required true. Yep. Okay. Post model done. Now here and index is huge for feed performance. When you build API feed APIs later, this will matter a lot. Post schema.index. I'll do that later. Just stay on topic and tell me how to this is my code. user post page, user post page dot tsx, user post container, upload post container dot tsx, upload post page. Then this is done. Then after this is the post API from single dash data, post.api.ts. This is done. Then this is not required. Then backend, in my backend controller, backend src controller, post controller, create post, backend controller, backend route, user dot route. Oh, not this, I just not here, post route, just need this. Then model post model. Now tell me, now I want to use Tiptap to upload post. Tiptap rich text editor to create and upload the post. Okay. सूरज दाई वैलेंटाइंस वीक चल रहा है, एक वीडियो प्रपोजल कार्ड पे भी हो जाए. Bro, if I receive any proposal card, then I'll tell you guys. I am Shanop. Hello, I am Shanop. Welcome to my stream. I am Shanop. क्या हाल भाई? सब बढ़िया Shanop. We are trying to build a social media application here using MERN stack and Typescript. आप कैसे हो Shanop? और कहाँ से हो आप? Unknown Gen Z. Brother, आगे कोडिंग का फ्यूचर एंड होगा एआई की वजह से, जैसे लोग बोल रहे हैं यूट्यूबर्स. सी यूट्यूबर्स ज़्यादातर फियर मॉन्गरिंग करते रहते हैं, फालतू का डराते हैं अपने व्यूज़ बढ़ाने के लिए. ठीक है, मैं तो बोलता हूँ अगर आपके पास स्किल है, लाइक एआई की वजह से जॉब्स कम होगा बट डेवलपर्स का जॉब ख़त्म कभी नहीं होगा. सो आपको यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर स्किल, राइट. सूरज दाई प्रपोजल कार्ड कोडिंग पे, डिजिटल कार्ड ट्रेंड्स है. सूरज दाई मैं फालतू के ट्रेंड्स फॉलो ही नहीं करता हूँ. लाइक व्यूज़ बढ़ाने के लिए मैं अपना टाइम दे के कार्ड तो बना दूंगा, थोड़ा बहुत व्यूज़ आएगा, बट लाइक मैं अपने ट्रैक से डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाऊंगा ना. मेरा भी गोल है एक सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन बना के सैस और स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करना है. मैं यहाँ पे कार्ड वार्ड बना के ट्यूटोरियल बना के व्यूज़ लेके क्या करूँगा, इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है. Okay, here we go. Placeholder. Any issues here? In front end, I'm installing this. Find creative text editor. I'll create a post editor. Okay. Here in the components, front end, src components, upload post page component. Here I'll create. What the fuck is happening, man? Yeah. npm run dev. Any issues? No issues. Here I'll create a new post editor dot tsx. I install that. I'll do this. सूरज दाई कोडिंग का फ्यूचर नहीं एंड होगा, जस्ट फास्ट होगा. हाँ, ट्रू. Okay, so then we do this. No need to change needed in this file upload page. Backend backend route. One small fix in backend response. Important. Only one small important sanitize rich suggestions. Tiptap and HTML protect. Sanitize. Clean content. Should have no content. Clean content. Okay, let's do. Okay. Now next access attack. Okay, fine. This post editor. Fine. Post. Order done. Post reader. RFCE. RFCE. Then here import use editor. Use editor. Okay. Use editor, comma editor content from at the rate tip tap react, then import starter kit import starter kit from at the rate tip tap starter kit, then import placeholder from at the rate tip extension placeholder. Done. Then props value string, then on change HTML string, the void set the value comma on change and type will be props. Okay, there we go. Post editor. फेरोनिक 70-20 फॉलो कर रहे हो? नहीं, मैं बीच बीच में बस स्कोर देख लेता हूँ ऑनलाइन, वैसे बैठ के मैच नहीं देखता हूँ, इतना टाइम कौन देगा 4 घंटे मैच में. कॉन्स्ट एडिटर equals use editor, then I'll pass the variables. Extensions will be an array, starter kit, then placeholder dot configure. I'll just put a placeholder value, what's on your mind. Done. 37. भाई यूएसए का टीम में सब इंडियन क्यों है? मुझे तो वो H1B इंडियन टीम लगती है, H1B वीज़ा इंडियन टीम. एनआरआई वर्सेस आईएनआर मैंने कहीं देखा था मीम. सो ये हो गया. दिस इज content. I'll pass the value. Content will be value, then editor props. Hold on. I'm not using React tip tap. Let's see. Tap editor docs. Let's need this. Okay, here. Hi there. Okay. React. Okay. Right, we are doing this. All right, fine. So editor props. Then in editor props will take an object, attributes, and class. Okay, pass a class as well. All right. Okay. Class also passed. Attributes, class. Fine. Then here then on update. On update will be a function. I'll pass the here. Then here on change editor dot h editor dot get html. Okay, get html, it is a function. Fine, on change हो गया. Then in return, okay, we are doing this. On return we are returning the edit content self closing, and it's an editor fine, and class name border. Okay, fine, I'm doing this here. Fine. Pheronic 7, Desi Indian versus Videshi Indian. Suvajit Roy. Hello Suvajit, welcome back to my stream. How are you? The code you got to write, did you bother to go through the code syntax, that what it actually is doing, and figuring out afterward it's deep learn and actually memorize the functioning? Yeah, obviously I'm understanding the code. That's why I'm not directly copy pasting the code. Here first, if you roll back in my stream, you will see that when AI gave me this code, I was going through the code and tried to understand it. When I understood the flow and I thought that okay, this is correct, then I'm implementing it. And I'm not copy pasting it because I'm understanding and doing it. All right. So replace your upload post container. This upload post container. Okay. Then use state, create post API, use state, import, create post API. Jai Mahakal. Hi Jai Mahakal. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Create post. Fine. I'll get the toast automatically. All right. Import post editor. I got the post editor. Upload post container. Here I'm basically using const content, then set content. I'm doing use state, and I'll import use state from React, and by default it will be null or empty. Yep. Okay. Then const image comma set image use state, it will be of type file or null, and by default it will be null. All right. जय महाकाल. कितने आर कंटिन्यूस कर सकते हो ब्रो? कर सकते हैं ब्रो. ब्रो डिपेंड करता है कि मैं कितने यार अपने आप को खींच सकता हूँ. लाइक यूजुअली लास्ट के कुछ दिनों में मैं 2 घंटे का स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ. उसके पहले सिर्फ 1 घंटे या 1.5 आवर्स का स्ट्रीम करता था. तो ये मूड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कितना खींच सकते हैं. लाइक इट्स अबाउट इंजॉइंग. जब तक इंजॉय कर रहे हैं तब तक कर रहे हैं. मान्या सुरवे. हाय ब्रो, कैसे हो? हेलो मान्या सुरवे, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर. हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ, तुम कैसे हो मान्या? जय महाकाल. कोडिंग या जब तक मज़े आए तब तक करेंगे. मी कोडिंग ओके. कितना कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो? मी कोडिंग जब तक एंजॉय करें तब तक कर सकते हैं. सेट इमेज ओके. देन कॉन्स्ट लोडिंग, देन सेट loading and use state. This will type boolean, and this will be by default false, right? Yep. Set loading, then handle create post. I'll create a function as const handle create post. This will be an async function. Fine. If there is no content, if there's no content, slash or content equals p slash p, I do toast dot error, toast dot error, post cannot be empty, and I'll simply return. Fine. Okay. मान्या सुरवे, मैं ठीक हूँ ब्रो, भूल तो नहीं गए ना मुझे ब्रो? अरे नो ब्रो मान्या, मैंने तुम्हें नहीं भूला हूँ। कैसे हो तुम? विपुल पाटिल, हाय ब्रो, कैसे हो? हेलो विपुल, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर। मैं ठीक हूँ विपुल, तुम कैसे हो? हेत पटेल, आई एम डूइंग पाइथन नाउ। ओ दैट्स नाइस हेत। Return, then simply try catch, and in catch I'll do any, and first I'll catch error console.log error, and toast dot error, I'll do error dot message or failed to upload post. Then done. Then in finally section, I'll make set loading to false. All right. Heth Patel, should I learn these skills first then do YouTube? um, it depends. If you are able to manage YouTube along with learning skills, then you can do YouTube along with it. But if you want to, I'll suggest that first you understand the basic skills, like, because it requires your total focus. First you understand the basic skills, be good at it, and then try to do YouTube. All right, so here try const form data equals new form data, then form data dot append content, and I'll append content. Then if I have an image, if there is an image, then I'll simply form dot data dot append, and in my backend routes, where's my route backend src routes, post route, in my route I'm calling it image. Okay, I'm calling it image only. Okay, fine. Here append image, fine, I got this. Then I'll make set loading to true, and I'll make const response equals await create post. I'll pass the form data, then toast dot success post uploaded successfully. Console.log, I don't need to console.log it. Fine, then I'll just make set content to null, set image to null. Fine, this done, and simply we return. Okay, Manya Survey, ब्रो एंथ्रोपिक में न्यू टूल लॉन्च किया है कोवर्क, तब मैं आईटी सिलेक्टर में डाउनफॉल चल रहा है, क्या डेवलपर की जॉब ख़त्म नहीं हो जाए? सी डेवलपर की जॉब ख़त्म नहीं होगी बट कम ज़रूर होगी, बिकॉज ए आई काफ़ी सारा काम कर सकता है, तो कंपनीज को उतने सारे डेवलपर की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, लेकिन जॉब रहेगी बट बहुत स्किल्ड, लाइक आपको अल्ट्रा स्किल्ड होना पड़ेगा जॉब लेने के लिए. A storage joker. To be honest, in my opinion, JSX is better than TSX. See, I used to think that storage joker, but like after working with TSX, I can say that TSX is better in the long run, because you will save a lot of time, in debugging errors after your code has been deployed. Jay Mahakal, coding are boring. Okay, Jay Mahakal. Storage Joker, basic English, bro. Storage coding is boring. See, storage Joker, it's fine. Like English is just a language. It's about conveying the idea. Nobody is perfect here, so that's fine. Pheronix 7. Coding is boring, but output is always interesting. That is true, Pheronix. And coding is actually not boring if you like it. See, basically, it's like you are creating something of your own. Coding gives you that superpower, basically. Code with Preetham. Hello, Code with Preetham. Welcome to my stream, brother. Coding with you is useful. Coding with you in is useful in this project. Like you can follow along, and I'll suggest that you use the GitHub repository of this code. Then you will understand the code properly. Okay. Return div class name. Okay. Here we can do max width to Excel, mx auto, mt 6 p4, bg neutral 900, rounded Excel, text white. Then here, after this, hold on, here, just a sec, what is happening? I did start, yeah, okay, I did not save it. Text white, okay, I'll zoom it. Text white, and in the h2 section, h2, I will do create your post, class name, text lg, font semi bold, and margin bottom will be 3. Fine, this is done. Then this Tiptap rich editor, Tiptap rich text editor. Fine, okay. फेरोनिक 7. मैं तो चाहता हूँ सब एआई के डर से कोडिंग से दूर चले जाए, कंपटीशन कम होगा और सिर्फ पैशनेट डेवलपर रहे. हाँ, दैट इज़ अ गुड वे टू लुक एट इट. होगा ऐसा, लाइक मेरे हिसाब से होगा, पैशनेट लोग ही टिकेंगे मेरे हिसाब से. फेरोनिक्स, आई एग्री विथ यू एक्चुअली. WHP, hello WHP. Hello bro, how did you learn JavaScript? I want to learn it too, but I heard that AI will replace all developers this year. Like lot of fear mongering is going on. AI will not replace. AI will just make developers more productive, in my opinion. And you can learn JavaScript on YouTube. I learned from there only. जय महाकाल. ब्रो मर्न स्टैक ईजी है कि टफ है? मर्न स्टैक ईजी, लाइक कोई भी टेक स्टैक ईजी होता है अगर आपको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज अच्छे से आता है. अगर आपको जावास्क्रिप्ट अच्छे से आएगा तो आपको मर्न स्टैक काफ़ी ईजी लगेगा. मान्या सुर्वे. ब्रो अल्ट्रा प्रो स्किल 5 साल में आएगा, तब तक प्रैक्टिस ही करेगा इंसान, मतलब जॉबलेस. हाँ, लाइक 5 साल नहीं, अगर आप अगर आप बेसिक सीख, फॉर एग्जांपल आप मर्न स्टैक का बेसिक सीख गए, फिर खुद से प्रोजेक्ट्स एक्स्ट्रा लेवल, लाइक एडवांस लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट खुद से बनाओ. अगर एरर्स आ जाए वो खुद से सॉल्व करो. लाइक जीपीटी यूज़ कर सकते हो डिबगिंग के लिए और सीखने के लिए. Try to solve those errors on your own and build advanced projects. Then you will save a lot of time. You can become a skilled MERN stack developer in 1 or 2, 1 year maybe. Rahul Sharma. Hello Rahul Sharma. Welcome to my stream, brother. जय महाकाल. AI खा जाएगा सब डेवलपर की जॉब. ओके. Pheronix, जय महाकाल. It depends on MERN stack is easy or hard. Do you know JS and basic HTML CSS? Yeah, Pheronix, good point. Gerwant, hello Gerwant, welcome to my stream. Cotam का code, what? Cotam za code Pizes variat. Gerwant, I'm sorry brother, I'm not able to understand the language. Siddharth Sarba Priya. Hello Siddharth, welcome to my stream, brother. You are exposing your code to the public. Basically, I'll make this an open source project in future. After I deploy this code, this will be an open source code. And obviously, before deploying, there will be certain things like API keys and all. I'll not show that. But after I deploy this code, and if this becomes a success, I'll make it a open source project. That's my goal with this thing. I am not trying to monetize this social media application. I'll make it an open source. That's why I'm showing it publicly, the code. Okay, Siddharth. What if someone else steals it? See, someone else steals it. It's an open source. People can actually fork it, you know, and fork, fork. People can fork it and they can add input or they can just use it also. So I'm fine with it. Nothing wrong in that, in my opinion. It's an open source project basically. I'll make it open source later. I am Rakshay. Hello Rakshay, welcome to my stream. भाई कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कैसे करें मॉन्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स? रक्षय सिंपल टर्म प्रोजेक्ट. जितना प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे उतना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होगा. गिरवांत. ओके. राहुल शर्मा. Bro, I am a full stack Java developer. Okay, that's nice, Rahul. So basically, like आप Spring Boot में काम कर रहे हो. Okay, गिरवांत. Okay. अभिषेक शर्मा. Hello, नमस्ते. Hello, गिरवांत. नमस्ते, brother. कैसे हो आप? सिद्धार्थ Sarba Priya. Okay, sir. Yeah, Siddharth. Fun Kids Africa. Can you teach me React JS and mobile application also Vue framework? Fun Kids, like, yeah, like in future, if I get time, I'll make tutorials and all. If I feel like, because right now my goal is to build my own SaaS and startup, so I'm focused on that. And thanks for joining the stream, Fun Kids. Siddharth Sarba Priya. All the best. Thanks, Siddharth, and thanks for joining the stream, brother. जय महाकाल. जॉब लग गई क्या ब्रो राहुल तेरी? ओके. आई एम रक्षे. मर्न में बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट बताओ भाई. बेसिक फर्स्ट इज फुल स्टैक to do application with authentication. If you can build this project, 90% of Munstack you know. And yeah, Christopher Henry. Hello Christopher Henry, welcome to my stream. I did college or graduate. I've completed my BTech, Christopher. Rayan Hussain. Hello Rayan Hussain, welcome to my stream. Brother, any view on DSA? Have you done it? I'm second year student and been doing DSA for a while, but not the series. How do I proceed forward? See, I have completed my BTech, Rayan Hussain, and I do DSA only 2 or 3 months before I start applying to companies. I don't do DSA entire year, but you are in second year, so I will recommend you to do DSA. Like do 1 or 2 questions every single day. Make this a habit of solving 1 or 2 questions. It will help you build that analytical skills. And along with this, you can build projects also in whatever tech stack you are interested in. Karan. Hello Karan, welcome to my stream. Bye, I already know HTML, CSS, JS, React and various React Live Axios, Stack and MUI etc. And currently I am learning Firebase to create a SaaS project. Can you guide me? What should I do next? Okay. Your front-end skills are pretty good, and Firebase, that is fine if you are building, like if you don't want to get into the hassle of backend, then you can use Firebase to build your backend, like backend as a service, and then you can make simple SaaS and you can get users. That is completely fine. If you are comfortable with this tech stack, then go ahead. जय महाकाल. ब्रो स्लीपिंग टाइम क्या था कल? कल मैं 3 बजे सोया सुबह के. जय महाकाल. कल मैं सुबह 3 बजे सोया. फेरोनिक 7. बट फेरोनिक 7 बट इट्स अनफेयर. जब हमारी जॉब की बारी आई तो एआई आ गई. सी क्या करूं, लाइफ इज अनफेयर फेरोनिक्स. वी कैन नॉट जस्ट सिट एंड कंप्लेन. वी हैव टू evolve along with it. Then post editor value will be content, on change will be set content, and here we make image input. Okay, input class name. Hold on, let's see. Okay, token upload post page. Where? Okay, great. Okay, we'll see that the styling. I'll see. Hold on. Where is it? Image preview. I was working on this. In the class name, mt4 type file except image slash star on change this e e dot target dot files array 0, then set image to e dot target dot files. This name and file except on change if this set image as this. Okay, like this. Image. Okay, done. And here we have image preview image. There is an image, and then img tag. I'll have class name mt3 rounded lg max h60 object cover alt review class name and src url dot create object url image submit button. I can just copy this part. No issues. Hold on. This does not feel right. राहुल शर्मा नहीं ब्रो, अभी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। क्या राहुल शर्मा ब्रो, फायरबेस गूगल का कोई प्लेटफॉर्म हम उधर बैकएंड क्लाउड डेटाबेस होस्टिंग एंड ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते हैं या सुभजीत रॉय मैसेज रिटायर्ड जमा। ओके ब्रो, यस ब्रो, या कोर्स का बीटेक सीएससी। ओके, होल्ड ऑन, see here this, but I'll just change the button color. Button is that thing, is this thing. Provide bus components, user profile container, this and this one. Just copy this. Propose container here, and just paste this. Here's a post, and here it will be here. If loading is true, then I'll just do spinner, import spinner. And here we have this, and this will be in a div in a div, then class name flex, and here I'll say posting, just posting, and flex gap of 2. Hold on, and this this here, this button, 4, 3, yeah, this is here, but no, I don't want this. This is fine. Just do one. Let's try one thing. If I do this in preview, I'm getting this preview section. This is happening. Rahul Sharma, Abhi bro, are you doing any job? Are you asking me, Rahul? Now let's see one thing, that where do I need to do this? Something on the backend. So create post controller before saving to MongoDB. Post contains HTML unit comes from Tiptap. Yes, exactly. So backend. Backend and sanitize. Okay. Then go here. Sanitize. npm and div accesses attacks. Okay. Before your current request.body. Okay, controller. Where's my controller? And src controller, post controller. Here content. Where am I getting the content? Here I'm getting the content here, right? Const clean content. Okay, in content I will clean content. Okay, fine. Here I got the content as request, then user id, then this part sanitization. Okay, I'll copy this user.find by id, user.find by id. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Here we have this this I can remove. I can comment this out. Sanitize HTML. Sanitize HTML. Okay, no suggestions. Okay. We can just import this here. Let's import this here. HTML. Sanitize HTML. Okay, that's HTML content, concat image. Title, image, see all. That's it. Fun by ID user. Post in content. I'll pass clean content. Clean content. Okay. I'll pass the clean content. Fine. Post. Fine. 201. Here I'll keep it 201. 201 post successfully. Error. Okay. What is the error? Okay, I need to install the types as well. Okay. Here, if I do this, dash d at the rate types slash. Let's see. Do I get something? Yep. I think now it should not have any error. npm run dev. Yeah. Any error? No error. Now let's try to do this. Front end src test user 2. Here let's upload. Here working on MERN backend. Post. If I come here, post uploaded successfully. Okay, I uploaded the post only. Let's see if I come here. Okay, yeah, I'm getting this p tag. Yeah, this is okay. I'll need to clean it. Okay. Need to learn more. This, there we go. This post. Posted successfully. If I come here, see, I got the need to this p tag. I have to change. Okay, there we go. I need to this thing. Okay, hold on. This is done. Okay, post containers. Just a sec. Rahul Sharma, bro, can you summarize your project? Yeah, Rahul, I'm trying to build a MERN stack social media application using TypeScript and MERN stack. Okay. Phoenix 7 next million will Jensen Huang. Jensen Huang, yeah, like Nvidia CEO. Just a second. Do this thing. Okay. This is fine. Post it. Mongoose. Go to my Mongoose. There's my Mongo. On social media. Posts. Here it is getting. Okay. Hold on. I'll see that. Now, just it post container. Post container response. Console dot log response. Now let's do one thing. I will come here. Go here. Upload a new post. Having a good day. This is happening. Something cool. SaaS journey here, my SaaS journey, and if I come here, inspect, this is my inspect. Hold on, just a sec. Set. Okay, in my console, I'm not reading anything right now. I'm gonna posting. This, I got this. Now, if I go to inspect console, what did I get? Having a good day. Okay. Now, this is my code. This is my code. Upload post containers. Upload post container dot tsx. Alright, upload post container. This is my post editor dot tsx. Post editor, upload post page. Upload post page dot tsx. Ronik, hello Ronik, welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? Upload post page. In the upload post page, okay, this is my API. This is my API, post.api, post.api.ts. Fine. Then after this, what am I doing? Backend controller, backend controller, src controllers, post controller, this one, create post, and then come here, copy this route, backend route.ts, backend route.ts, routes, post.route, this one I got. This is my API response. Where is it? I'll just get this post. What is this post ID? Okay, post ID is this one. Get post by post ID, anything. Get all posts, get user posts. No, not here. I'll do one thing, I'll come here. Get user, okay, just a sec. I'll come here. There, I'll copy this. Okay. In my network section, okay, I'll just create one more post. Best improve your life. This is done. Inspect. I'll go to network. Okay, for network I need to click on this. Okay, fine. Here I can just pass this thing. Hold on. Let's do one thing. Okay, get user posts. This is what I am doing here. Test user 2. Test user 2. Okay, in data maybe again something like this. This is the data that I'm getting, this array. I'll just pump this. I want to add the feature to make the text bold and text bold, italic and underlined. And in my feed I am seeing the plain text in content along with the HTML tags. Okay. You are basically two things here: add bold and underline content on Tiptap, render Tiptap HTML properly in your feed. So okay, fine. Enable bold italic. Install underline extension, Tiptap extension underline. Okay, bold italic. Okay. Feed post. Last one. Hold on, did I not sanitize it? Where is my backend controller? Stop. Okay, here I'm not creating. Okay. Content. Sanitize it. Okay, done. Let's do this. रोनिक क्या कर रहे हो ब्रो? मैं अपना सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन बना रहा हूँ मॉन्स्टैक और टाइपस्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करके. Outset, I approach while coding with AI is that I always break down stuff into the smaller part possible, like what I need as params and return, define type and interface myself. That is done by. That is fine. Outset, that is a good approach. Coding journey, coding. Hello, coding journey. Welcome back to my stream. Devorki, hey bro, what's up? Hello, Devorki. Welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? Shubham Rai, hello, bro. Hello, Shubham. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Okay, so first I need this extension. Okay, why am I stopping backend npm run dev? Stop. I will start npm. Just uninstall. Then npm run dev. Just refresh this once. Got this. Now here in my post editor, we need to make some changes. Okay, post editor. Placeholder. I also need to import underline. Not underline. Just close this. I'll import underline. Start a get. Then here I'll do underline comma then plain configure what's on your mind, fine. Then content value editor props attributes class in outline none pros non okay. On update editor on change editor get html, fine. Then class name toolbar, okay. Div class border neutral 700 ng 900. Then before okay, before the editors I need to pass this. Before I show the editor I'll show this. Let's see. Okay, hello. Okay, here I'm doing this editor. If I come here, okay, it's getting bold. Okay, hello. Okay, yeah, this looks better. Hello, my Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. I can just make this unbold. Okay. My name is Abhishek Sharma. I can make this italic and underline, and I can do this. I can give my image, any image that I have. Don't laugh at this image, please, guys. And one more thing, in my this part, I'll make my4. No, not my4, mb4. Okay, but I need a gap. I need a gap. Y4. Not here, not here, not here. Just a sec. I'm getting this. Create your post. This is fine. But BG neutral. What if I make remove the BG? Then what will happen? Nothing changes. Okay. Ansh plays BGMI. Hi. Hi Ansh. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? Shubham Rai. I'm good, bhai. That's good, Shubham. Outset. I always Quen and DeepSeek unlimited queries. Oh, that's nice. शुभम राय 8673 भाई फ्रंट एंड में रिएक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं जी हाँ मैं फ्रंट एंड में रिएक्ट यूज़ कर रहा हूँ ओके दिस लुक्स बट व्हाई एम आई नॉट गेटिंग द पैडिंग हियर बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द पैडिंग आई okay I can just remove this I am a full stack developer okay now this is done but let's just change the image this one maybe this one no yeah let's add this one okay I'll add this one uh, then what else I'll make this bold also I'll make this bold fine this is bold outset which year I've completed my btech and where are you from outset fine. But why am I not getting that down padding? Maybe in my text editor. Okay, editor content. Editor content. Okay, not here. Okay, border neutral. BG red. Let's see. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is the issue. Not here. Upload post container. This I need to give a post editor. Alright, I can just do one thing that I can keep this. I will remove this padding, upload post container, create your post. Yeah, there. MT, this will be my6. Yeah, this looks better. MT6, MT6 and NB8. Okay, this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, now if I post this, hold on. Before posting, this is done. Why you see HTML tags in feed API returns this. If you render post, okay. Improve. We will see this. Then we're going to escape HTML by default for security. Correct way to render its text in feed. In a feed post component, div class. This tells DI this HTML. Optional make Tiptap nice in feed. Install table typography if you haven't. Okay. Okay, let's try this. My profile page, profile user post. in user post or content. Where is the content? Here is the content. Here is the content. Post dot content. Instead of this, let's make it a div. Make it a div. Let's make this a div, and then let's add the class name as these. Let's add this. Let's add this. Add this, and then dangerously HTML. Let's post this. Posting. This is done. If I come here, what is the issue? What error did I get? This due to syntax I imported on your modules. This could be dangerously set HTML. Okay. This is my user post.tsx. You are very close. This is one more couple of option main issues about this. This could not be here. Okay. If I remove this, then what will happen? Let's see. This, yeah, I'm getting this. I'm a full stack. Hello, my name is. I'm a full stack developer. Okay, now I need this there also my feed page. Where is my feed page? Pages, feed page, feed post, feed post. Am I getting is it post 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 here? Instead of this, add this. Then here also I'll see this. Fine. Okay, here I'm getting this. I am getting this. Fine. If I come here, test user 2, fine. For test user 1, test user 1, test user 1. Here I'm getting this. Alright. And here I'll upload. And what is one more issue that this is, I fixed this. Yeah, I need to change the color. Feed post done, feed page done. Okay. Rahul Sharma, bro, are you doing any job? No, Rahul, I'm not doing any job. I'm trying to build my own startup. Outset, Gwalior. No, outset. Okay, outset you're from Gwalior. That's nice. अश प्लेस बीजे में तुम्हारे फाइल ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे हैं? मेरे सारे फोल्डर और फाइल्स एक ही लाइन में आते हैं. ये आपको बेसिकली जब आप ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाते हैं ना, बहुत सारे गिटहब रिपोजिटरीज को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड प्रोडक्शन ग्रेड एप्लीकेशन, यू नीड टू स्ट्रक्चर योर कोड प्रॉपरली. That's how I learned all these things. Okay, fine. This is done. Just a sec. Let's copy an article. Let's do one thing. Let's create a good article on web development. Let's Clawbot, right? We saw Clawbot article. Let's see Clawbot. Let's see. This is the article. Small article, not big. Let's get an article from Medium. This looks good. Medium. Okay. We can copy it from here. We can start copying this from here, and yeah, we can copy it in here. I will come to my application and post all this. Fine. Then this is bold. Fine. Enter. Then this. Then this. I am copying all this. Then this. Let's just structure it properly. This. It is bold automatically. I should make it bold. Yeah. This is bold. Here, this, here, here. I did this. Now let's do one thing. my name by test user 2. Now let's just copy this image. I'll just save image as webp file. Okay, no, let's webp file, no, not webp file. AI image robot. AI image robot. Let's copy this file. Yeah, maybe this file. Yeah, this one. This one. Let's save this image. Save image as webp file. Pixabay. Pixabay. Let's just download which file. Yeah, let's download this file. I can download. Yeah, it got downloaded. Now if I come to this, now if I come to this downloads, I'll add this. Now let's upload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, post upload successfully. Now if I come to test user, fine. Yeah, okay, this looks cool. And the feed, how will it look? This looks fine. This looks cool. Yes, this looks cool. Like this. This is done. Now just I need to fix one thing, that this choose file, this one, user post editor, this one, the image input. This is my code. Make the image input look better. Yeah, logic screen. Upload box. I can just do this. Okay. Let's copy this from this image. Okay. Image. Image. Just input tag. Give me the full code. Okay. Chris Tripathi just joined the stream. Hi Chris Tripathi, welcome back to my stream, brother. Chris, what you are working at today? Chris Tripathi, today I'm working on the upload post section. Basically, in this profile, if we click on this upload post, this we are trying to build this. Vinay Kumar, hello Vinay Kumar, welcome to my stream. You can use extension as well in VS. That. Like I'll do that. Basically, in this project, I'm using AI just for the front end part. All right, so there we go. This is it, and everything is same. Image upload. Image upload. This I can just copy this. Submit before submit button. I'll copy it from here. Image. Just remove this. Save this. Image plus use it React. Yes, I'll just give it a comment. Image upload. Fine. Any more error? What is this error? X. Use it React X. Okay. Right. So here. Yeah, this looks better. Now let's write one more article. I just copy the article from somewhere. Right here. What article should we write? Let's write an article. MERN stack in startups. Just a sec, I'll add one more feature. Okay, I have an idea. Here, this is just a sec, upload container, upload post container, this is done. Post editor here. Okay, this is my code. Post editor dot tsx. Vibe coding. Yeah, I'm basically front end, back end I've built. Front end I'm using AI, but I'm trying to understand the code also because I know the code, but I'm too lazy to write. And if I have AI and I can build this app fast, then why not? First place coding. आई एम शेराजेल भाई, अगर पाकिस्तान इंडिया का मैच हुआ तो आप खेलोगे? मैं वो वाला अभिषेक शर्मा नहीं हूँ जो आप सोच रहे हो. Also add text size option like title or text size option. Organize it or customize font size. I'll give you bold, italic, underline, heading, large size, active sheet styling, save option. Okay. Right, post editor, heading. Yes, okay, value around this. Bold, italic, underline, divider, normal text, heading. Okay, we can just copy this part, post editor part, and paste it. Did I mess up anything? No, I did not mess up anything. The react is multiplied now. If I come here, yeah. Okay, now H1. Let's build. Now let's write something. Here, MERN section. MERN startups article. Top choice for startups. Okay, block summary. MongoDB. Let's copy this. Let's copy. Cancel. Let's copy this. This will be my header. Okay, this will be my header. Vinay Kumar, it's smarter way. Good. Yeah, thanks Vinay. 9 AM Games. Hello 9 AM Games. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Dream League में खेल लूँगा. Dream League में खेल लूँगा. Okay. This we are doing here. I can just copy this part. This. Cons. This. Plus. Let's copy. All these things. Size as h. Make this h. Let's make this h small. What is happening? H. Why is h not working? Bold is working. Normal h. Tiptap extension. It seems that text size is not working. Rahul Sharma, I think the big text for your post is not looking good. Means you should add more buttons after 2 or 3 lines. Then click on more. Then it spread full text. Good for. Yeah, I was thinking that. I can show some lines, then there will be a more option. If someone clicks on the more option, then the full article will be shown. Yeah, good point. 9 AM Games. Just came home with an injury, but it's totally worth it. What happened, brother? Are you fine? What injury did you have? 9 AM games. Sidhu Moosewala, are you using a VS Code? Yes, Sidhu Moosewala, P51. Welcome to my stream. I'm using uh, VS Code. Install required extensions. Okay, install this. Just a sec. SRC. Or all right, all right. Got it. Backend sanitizer. Backend sanitizer. Confirm field rendering. Got it. First post editor. I have the post editor here. What we need to do is src extensions. I can create one thing here, front end src. In my helper, is there any helper or utils? Let's create new folder, extensions, font size.ts. Here I'll create font size.ts. I can copy this. I'll copy this here. This chain. Why am I not getting this chain? Chain. Okay. Hold on. I copied this. Then here I also need to do at the rate types slash. Maybe this I need to do. Commands. I need to do this. I did this. I am getting this error. Then chain, I'll copy this. Then copy this. Then this. Sidhu Moosewala hai. Okay, bro. Thanks. Last question. Which text editor are you using? For like this front end, I'm using this Tiptap React Tiptap text editor. मैंने गेम्स फुटबॉल खेल रहा था डिफेंडर ने एक टैकल में रोनाल्डो बाहर निकाल दिया ओके आई होप यू गेट इंजरी इज नॉट टू डीप एंड you recover soon brother. SRC types and root tap dot d.ts or d.ts. Yep, I'll copy this. Done. This is done. Come here. Font size extension here. Is this. I did this. Uh, app.d.ts. So be font size.ts. Font size.ts. I'll copy this. I am getting this error. Here I'll copy this. I'll paste this. Sidhu Moosewala. Thanks. Yeah, welcome Sidhu Moosewala P5I. I hope you're enjoying this stream. All right. Just remove font, it's optional, increment this fancy and then perfectly font size. Okay. This, 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 font size, style, style, extension, starter kit, placeholder dot configure. Okay, starter kit dot configure is not required. There we go. I can remove this starter kit, comma, underline, text style, font size, text style, font size, text style, font size. Remove this text style. Where will I get this from? Style. Hold on. Am I getting this text style? This thing, these two things I need. Okay, come here. Condition. Okay, I'll see this. Post editor dot tsx. I am getting this error. Run this textile. Okay, restart this error. Okay, let's npm and dev style module. Is the issue? Index tiptap.d.ts. Okay, got it. Font size done. This is done. Extension font size. Extension font size. Yes. TSX. Give me the full code. Sidhu Musa, bro, if you don't mind, can I get your number for more code? You can follow me on Instagram, brother. Sidhu Musewala, you can follow me on Instagram and you can DM me there. Vinay Kumar. My suggestion, you can upload the fix and ask for suggestion to fix the error. Okay, I'll try that. Okay, font styles extension. This extension. Edit the part. This. Why is it still crying? Okay. Fine. Textile. Edit this. Okay. Controller is my backend. src controller post controller. Then I'm selecting here a h target rel and src then span. I can add this here, then allowed styles, this allowed styles, this. Okay. This is fine. Now what error am I getting here? I must be getting an error. Hold on. Okay, this is my code. I'll give package dot json so that it knows that what package I am using. src package dot json. There we go. This is done. Then the post editor tsx post editor.tsx. This is done. This is done. Back and close front end src components upload pair upload post. This is not required. Then in the extensions part, font size, copy this and font size dot ts. Then here src, then my types ts tip dot ts. I am getting this error in post editor.tsx. Post editor.tsx here. src components editor. This I'm getting this error here. If I go to inspect console, and I'm getting this and paste. I was scrolling on Instagram and one reel popped up about DSA. Someone says system design will replace DSA. What say? Yeah, it is. I agree. System design is actually used in practicals a lot. Like in industry, everything is based on system design. So system design is very important. That's a name export. I can do this. Now, now it is rendering. Now, hello. Bold is working. This bold is working fine. This italic is working. This underline is working. This normal is working. This h, this large is working. Yes, this normal is working. This small is working. This, okay, let's do one thing. This I'm making it large. I'm able to make it normal. Okay, normal next is not working. Okay, first this comment here. I can remove that I U. Then normal. This normal can be removed. Remove this normal part. Remove this H part as well. Oh, this H part. This H part as well. Yes. There we go. Now if I come here, let's go to Gemini. Write a good article on MERN stack and startup. So I'll just copy this article. Let's see if this is working. This is working. The first one. Let's just copy this. I will come here. That's why am I getting this plus one from where is this from? Let's remove this plus one part. This one, this one, this one, plus one, plus one, this one. Okay, done. This is done. Now let's do one thing. MERN and startups. This is the tag, and let's make it. If I remove this, let's make it large, and this will be bold. Fine. This is done. Let's get a MERN stack logo. MERN logo. Where is it? Interesting. MERN logo. MERN logo HP. Let's take this image. Can I save an image as? Maybe I find out PNG. Image file. PNG. This is PNG. No, this one. This one. And yeah, this looks PNG. Save image as PNG. Downloads. Yep, downloads. Now if I come here, I'll go to my download section. I will do this. Yeah, I will do this. Now let's do just a sec. Let's let's make this bold. Make this bold. Make this bold. Make this bold. Bold. Let's make this bold. Let's make something italic also. Let's make this part bold. Underline. Let's make it italic. Let's make it bold. And let's make this small. Okay. Let's do this. Now let's upload. On posting. Yep, posting. Now do one thing. If we come here, we are here. Post. Yes, we are getting this. Fine. People are able to read it. And like also. Do follow me if you found value. I'll post. Now if I log out and if I log in as test user 1, and here also test user 1 login, I got this post. I can read this like this. I can count like amazing. I can post here. Yes, I can post. If I like this user, I can come to this. Then I'm already following this. I already liked. Yep, this looks fine. Now let's do one thing that make this like if we click on when you go my session, you can upload. Okay, 98 memes. I was scrolling on. Okay, Galax. Hello Galax, welcome to my stream. Press Control B to bold. Okay, Miss YouTube. Hey buddy, hi YouTube. Welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? Galax. Oh, nice. I thought you are on a real site. Oh no, actually this is my project. This is my project, brother. And just one more thing. Now there are some fixes that I need to do. That needs to be done. Now, firstly, if after uploading, I need to take the user after uploading, set content null, this is null, then use navigate. Okay, from here, import use navigate from react.dom. Then here I can do const navigate equals use navigate. Then here I can do navigate dot navigate to dot slash profile. Maybe after uploading, user can go to the feed section. I can take the user to feed. Okay, slash. The world is cruel. You have to. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll post without this. Post cannot be empty. Fine. The world is cruel. If you don't adapt, you lose. I type this, and now let's make this part bold. And yeah, now let's make this large, entire thing large. Okay, let's upload an image of someone. Let's upload Thomas Shelby image like this. Okay, image can be anyone, anything interesting here. Yep, let's do this. Let's upload this image. Yep, if I post, now we came here, the world is cruel. Like, yeah, user can do this. Now, just one more thing. Okay. YouTube, I'm fine. How are you? I'm good, brother. Top G, bro, I'm learning MERN stack. Can you suggest me free resources? Yes, Top G, and welcome to my stream. You can follow Chai or Code YouTube channel. I learned MERN stack from there only. Alex, but you should have to add that functionality in your site for shortcuts. Okay, I'll think about that for the suggestion. Yeah. Too. Hey, I have the same light you have. Which light? 9am games. Showing your emotions to people is like bleeding next to a shark. That is true, 9am games. That is completely true. Now let's write a post. Now let's write this post. Okay. Uh, showing your emotions to people is like bleeding next to a shark. Post. Yeah, this looks nice. This actually looks nice. Just one more issue is that this one. I don't want people to look at the article without if they are not interested. I'll show some of the content, then they have to click on more, then the entire article will be shown. Table lamp. Oh, that's nice YouTube. Space BGM. भाई चाय और कोट से मैंने भी ऊप with Python सीखा. He's brilliant teacher. Yeah, I agree. He's very good. 9am games. What the hell? Yep. So if we come here, and yeah, I need to fix this part. So this is done. This is done. This is done. Front end, SRC components, feed page component. First, feed post. Feed post. Yep. Here, feed post. This will be a new chat. This is my code. Feed post.tsx. Now I want that only few lines of post content is shown, and and a more button is shown, and if the user clicks on the more button only, then the entire content should show. Zedro official, by the way, great quotes. Hello Zedro official, welcome to my stream. Dairoth Abhishek, hi Abhishek, how are you? Galax, you just have to listen to keystrokes, and then on a particular keystroke you have to bold or italic the selected text. Okay, all right, I'll try to implement that. Add a state for expanding content, then wrap the content in the line clamp plus toggle. Ash plays BGM and double click like. No, I have not implemented that double click like yet. It is, I can implement that like later on. I'll implement. I'm creating the basic features right now. All right, let's change the DP. Let's change the DP. Let's make it a money man. DP has been changed. This one I have to fix also. Okay. Load. This is fine. This is fine. And if I come here, I'm able to see this. All right. Yes. So let's see. So only three lines of post content by default. Likes, comment count, expanded. Then maybe this one. Set loading. Okay. Delete. Delete. Detect overflow for more button. Okay. Detect overflow. Alright. Add program image. Username. String. Content. Visible. Fine. Yup. Okay. Let's do this. Fine. So what are we doing? First, here we come at in this part, then comments count, then after comments count, we'll create const expanded, then set expanded equals use state. By default, it will be false, and the type will be boolean. What do you use for front-end design? HRUAI, Hureg. Hello Hureg, welcome to my stream. I use ChatGPT for front-end design. Like I'm basically using ChatGPT for design. Slowed music reverb. Hello slowed music reverb. Welcome to my stream. Add preview for changing the DP of the user. Okay, I'll try to do that. Heth Patel, hi sir, I was doing while loop and it was infinite and my laptop got hanged. Yeah, because maybe you have done while true and you're not changing the condition. And while true is an infinite loop. 9 games, 9 games. Are you going to use Lenis for smooth scrolling? Lenis or locomotive? Yeah, I will be going for smooth scrolling. Uh, but I will be implementing that after I build the basic MVP of the application. And thanks for the suggestion, 9 games. Expanded boolean false. Then const, let's do content reference ref, comma set content ref equals use ref html div element, html div element, and or null, and by default it will be null. Right, then const is overflowing, comma set is overflowing to use state false, and type will be boolean, done. This is done. Handle toggle like post done, turn the fetch comments done, handle toggle comments, handle toggle add comment part, delete comment part. Yup, this one. So at the bottom, just before I return here, what will I do? Use effect this and dependency array. Here in use effect, if content ref dot current const element equals content ref dot current, and then set is overflowing to el dot scroll height element, it will be element, and are greater than element dot client height. Done, and this will be post dot content. Done, this use effect is done, and this is done. Then post, read more, find post image. Yep, there we go, post image. Yeah, here after this part, I'll just comment it, post with read more, post content with read more. But bro, your knowledge is next level. It will averagely take how long to be a pro Python programmer? See, it depends on your practice. But basic Python you can understand in 1 month, or maybe in few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, if you dedicate 2 to 3 hours every single day. Galax 5130, Heth Patel. Just by creating different types of projects, learn Python. Oops, yup. Heth Patel, okay, Galax. 9 games. You are building cult, huh? Observing numbers, growing gradually. Keep the streak. Will monetize soon. Matcha. 9 games. Thanks for the compliment, brother. And I'm just doing what I like, and hopefully I'm finding people who are more like me. It's like finding your own people, because most of the people that I'm surrounded by, they're not interested into these things. Everybody is talking about getting a job, living this 9 to 5 job life, and not having any aspirations. But when I started, doing this live streams, I've started finding people who are more like me, who think like me, and it's really good that I'm not the only one who think like this. Heth Patel, 400 subs almost. Yeah, thanks. Heth. Priyanshu, React Native, do you know? Yeah, I know basic React Native, like basics. Then let's just comment this part for now. Then here I'll make a div, class name relative. Inside this we'll have another div, ref, basically content ref, and there will be class name, will be a string literal. For this I have to make it this one. Okay, this. expanded, and here just copy and paste. Okay. Here, just copy from here to here. Done. Here I can do this. Is overflowing part. Self-closing. This div is a self-closing div. Okay. This can be a self-closing div. And after this, I can do this. Now let's see. What is it? Use ref is not a function, or its return value is not iterable at feed post. Okay, okay. Must have a symbol. Set. Okay, okay. This cannot be like this. Okay. So this here, it will be this. Any error? Yes, no errors till now. Let's see. I'm getting this. You lose. I'm getting this more. If I click on, yeah, this is working. Show less. Where is it? Show more. Show less. And this more part. This, okay. हैश प्लेस BGMI. पाइथन कौन सीख रहा है? हम लोग मिलकर प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं. हेत पटेल मी हैश प्लेस. ओके, इतना सीखे हो अभी, बेसिक्स ओनली. हेत पटेल आई जस्ट बिफोर. इंस्टा आईडी दो, डीएम करता हूँ. क्या आई डोंट हैव इंस्टा, जस्ट यूज व्हाट्सएप. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? इन अफ्रीका, नायरोबी. दैट्स द सिटी. So let's make this more part that I have. More part, where is that? Okay, let's just remove this one. Remove this. And this more button that I have, show less, expanded, show less. Let's not make it text blue. Let's make it text white slash 20. Okay, not this much. 60. And this should be cursor pointer. Show less. Okay, this is done in this part. Now I need to do the same thing for this one. Just use something for logout. Test user 2. Test user 2. This one here. So for here also. Okay. Same thing. Alright. SRC components. Components, upload post page components, profile page components, user post. If I come to user post, alright. So I can just remove this section first. Remove this section. Oof. Remove this section. And here, this. Okay, I can just copy it from here. So copy this. Here, user post. I copy this. I will import useref from React. Then I'll copy that use effect, use effect, use effect, use effect, use effect, and this use effect, and this use effect. Where's my just before before I return the okay, here, and this use effect, and import use effect from React here. Fractions. Here I have this. Then here in this, then I have this and this. Any issues here? No issues. This there again. This, this is here, and I'm going to some more. So this. Yep, done. Okay. So I'll keep it this much for today. Heath Patel, really sorry. My parents have not allowed me to use instant. That is fine, Heath Patel. 9 names. और कितना टाइम चिल करोगे? मैद्रिद का गेम स्टार्ट हो गया है. Okay, that's nice. Heath Patel. By the way, Abhishek sir, computer setup tour, please. Sure, I'll give a tour. My setup is very basic, very basic. Like, but I'll give a tour someday. Heath Patel, please sir, if possible, now can you just show the laptop setup? Like I'm using my laptop my laptop camera only, so I don't know how will I show that. Like I'll make a video on that. Heath Patel. Okay, this is here. Now if I come here, this changes. Create post page completed. Right? And I've seen your setup on Instagram. I've shown my setup on Instagram. I don't remember. Ash plays BGMI. कौन सा लैपटॉप है? HP laptop 15x. Ash plays games. That's my laptop. Akash, by no offense, but what's the use of this project? You can create any other useful project. See, basically, this social media project is for my own learning, and then like I want to learn as much as from this. Like my goal is to learn caching, rate limiting, then all these advanced concepts that I'll be that we need in a professional application. My goal is to learn that those things from this project, and then I'll deploy this project, and other people can use it as well. That's my goal. So okay, now if I push, okay, code pushed. Just a sec. There we go. Google Gemini. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. And if I go to GitHub, hey Patel, bro, please, if you don't like this project, like, no, it's fine. Like, people cannot like the project. It is fine. Like, everybody is open to have their opinion, open to express their opinion. It's fine. I don't take any offense on that. Many games. Yeah, when did you change your PFP? I changed my PFP a few days back, brother. 9 games. Front end, SRC, pages, route schemas, components, page post component, post editor. Okay, so this is the thing that I did here, and just one more thing. Here, if I go to my, can you tell me about this one part I did not understand? I want to understand it. Where is it? This one, el dot, this part, especially this part. As said Patel, no offense. He's experienced, that's why asking. Are you kid or what? Okay. Akash. Usman, bro, एक suggestion दूँ? Yes, Usaman Zamani, welcome to my stream. Yeah, brother, you can give your suggestion. Okay, so I'm not a kid, no offense, but it was a joke as well. Okay, guys, don't fight, just relax. It's a like just relax, guys. 9 games. लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं भाई के लिए फेम इज गेटिंग आउट ऑफ हैंड्स 9 games, you're damn funny, brother. uh, Frontier technology, bro, what you are pursuing? Frontier technology, welcome to my stream. I have completed my BTech Frontier 9 games, trying to make a right guy famous. Oh, 9 games, that's really sweet of you, brother. Okay, it really means if is the total height of the content bigger than the visible height of the element. Okay, all right, all right. If yes, some content. All right. Properties. Okay, so basically there, if the content height is bigger than the element height. Okay, got it. Yes, Patel, yeah. Cylon, web dev resources, bhaiya. Hello, Cylon. Welcome to my stream. If you want to learn MERN stack, there's a perfect channel for you called Chai or Code. You can go there and you can learn. Usaman Zamani, bro, use Claude Code. It's a coding assistant. Recently, I made a full application using it. Wasn't just crazy. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I know about it. But the thing is that with this project, I'm trying to learn as much as I can. And my goal is to build my own startup and SaaS. And when I start building that, then I'll use, AI coding agents. I meant, okay, Akash, what do you think? What you think so about making a system design simulator sandbox or something? I have this idea. Okay, yeah, that is a good idea. Like people can practice, or industry companies can use that to create. Connecting. Why? Reconnected. Reconnection successful. Okay. I hope, guys, my stream is not laggy or anything. Oh, I mean, it was just crazy. Oh, okay. Yep. Ayush KM. Bro, are you done with DSA? Yeah, Ayush, I do DSA just before, applying for companies, for job interviews. I don't do it entire time. Yeah, short post. Nice. Okay, 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 okay. Got it. Important. Gotcha. Must run after enter. Okay, fine. Osman, bro, can we become friends? Do you have Discord? See, currently, like I will build Discord. My sir, I have like I just have an account. I don't use it. But if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Instagram, Usman. Usamani Zamani. If you want to connect with me, we can connect on Instagram. You can find the link to my Instagram in the description. Mohammad Kamal, is it hard to get a remote job knowing just Python? Hello, Mohammad Kamal, welcome to my stream. See, it depends entirely on your skill. Just with basic Python, it is very difficult to get a job, but you need to, after learning Python, you have to pick a route. Like if you want to get into data science, or you want to learn full stack with Python, you have to pick a route and you have to be very good at it. Then only you will get a job. Okay. Cylon. Bhaiya, are you experienced or in college? I have completed my BTech, Cylon. Ainali. Hello, Ainali. Welcome to my stream. What is your age, and at what age you start learning? Ainali, my age is 25, and I have been coding when I was 20. And actually before 20, like I started coding with C++, and I started it back in when I was in class 11. Heth Patel. Do you live with your parents now, sir? Yes, I live with my parents. Heth Patel. Ayush. Bro, your college. Ayush, my college was Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. And welcome to my stream, Ayush. Frontier Technology. Bro, give me some advice for full stack. See, the first thing is learn JavaScript, because JavaScript, eventually if you are getting into full stack, you have to learn JavaScript. So learn JavaScript, master it, like understand loops, maps, data structures in JavaScript, DOM manipulation in JavaScript, all these things. Understand this, then start with backend, because backend, see, front end is important, but it is fairly easy as compared to backend. As you can see in my project, only I know the code, and like it's easy to build front end. But real challenge comes when you are trying to build a full stack application with your own backend. So learn backend, give your time to backend, learn express.js, learn routes, middleware, controllers. caching, how to connect with databases, learn those things, how to build REST APIs, learn authentication, then build projects. Hey Patel, I'm 18 years and now will turn 19 this year. Can I do Google with data science? Yeah, you can. Just give your time, build projects, and understand the concepts properly. UUG Edits. Hello, UUG Edits. Welcome to my stream, brother. Amazing, brother. One of the few people I've seen streaming their building process. I have a question. I am seeking job in data analyst as fresher. I am applying and not getting any call. Help is appreciated. Okay. See, first thing is that you have to be very good at it. Like understand the concepts, build projects. Very important. Build projects and deploy it and let people see it. If you get more attention to your projects, you will get hired. And if you are into data analytics, then you have to understand SQL, Excel, how to scrape data, how to run ML models on those data, right? So you have to be very good in these things. Usaman Zamani, I followed you on Instagram. Okay, sure, you can DM me, Usamani. We can, text. Frontier Technology, from Chai or Code with Harry. I personally prefer Chai or Code. I like it. All right. So, all right, everyone. And finally, I'm 14. I know data science complete. Give me best honest advice based on your experience. You're 14. The best thing is that you have time in your hand. Utilize this time. Go deep into it. Like, just understand deep learning. Go understand the structure of transformers. Learn PyTorch. Build your own. Try to build your own LLM using PyTorch. Like you have time, you can master, like you can actually be, you can reach a god level skill before you start applying, because you have a lot of time. So use that time and go deep. Whatever you are learning, if you are learning data science, go deep into it. 9 a.m. games, bro, go out and have friends. 9 a.m. games. Mohammed, I subscribe to you, bro. Thanks for going live. Oh, thanks, Mohammed. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot, brother. 9 a.m. games. At 14, I was trying to impress um, Rupali from my tuition. 9 a.m. games. Finally, I have learned deep learning, transform, PyTorch, whatness. Learn data scraping and build your own project. Build your own LLM. If you in that, when you try to do that, you will face errors, find the solutions, and just don't give up on the project. Complete the project. UG edits. Brother, I have BSc background and majority of the job post I see ask for BTech. Have taken a wrong decision by entering this field. No, brother, no. See, all those service based companies, MNCs, they will ask for BTech. But the reality is, like, uh, it's not as required as you think. You can apply, if you have good skills, you can apply to remote jobs. Apply to remote jobs. They don't look for like remote jobs in USA, UK, Canada, and you can work from home. Those people look skills, not just your degree. So you can apply for remote jobs. Viraj Parekh. Hello, Viraj Parekh. Welcome to my stream. I want to ask one thing. What do you say one should apply thoroughly or have a good skill set? First, like, wait to be a kind for perfectionist and then apply for any internships. No, see, perfect time. Sorry, a perfect times never comes, right? You have to be, like, just build projects and start applying. And with each and every rejection, you just get better. 9 a.m. games. The name was very random, by the way. I don't know any person of that name. All right, 9 a.m. games. Finally, sir, it is important to learn DSA as an AI engineer. See, DSA, you have time, you should learn. You should build a habit of solving one or two DSA questions every single day, right? And then it will help you build your analytical skills. It will help you understand pattern recognition. Like, that's what DSA does. अंश प्लीज BGMI. भाई मैंने वेब स्क्रेपिंग का यूज़ करके फ्लिपकार्ट प्राइस एनालाइज का प्रोजेक्ट बना. दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रोजेक्ट. एंड अगर आप उसमें नोटिफिकेशन सिस्टम डाल दो एंड एक यूज़र आ रहा है, वो आपके साइट पर लॉगिन कर रहा है एंड एक बार उसने लॉगिन करके फ्लिपकार्ट एनालाइज करने लग गया, तो उसको नोटिफिकेशन भेजो. अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस नीचे गिरता है, उसको नोटिफिकेशन भेजो. लाइक यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक दिस अ पेड प्रोडक्ट. दिव्यांश शर्मा. हेलो दिव्यांश, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. सर, इन प्रोजेक्ट को डाउनलोड करके कैसे रन करें? सी, फर्स्ट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज You can, for example, if you want to download this project, you can come to my repository. You can, first you can do git. You need to install git. Then you need to pull this project, and then it is simple, backend and front end. So you need to install Node in your system, and you can just get inside the front end folder, type npm I, and then npm run dev. Front end will run. Then get inside the backend folder in another terminal. Get inside the backend folder, then same thing, install npm I, then npm run dev. Then this application will run in your system. Heth Patel, data science, do we have DSA? See, DSA is not required in interviews, I think, for data science, because DSA is for understanding your analytical skills, right? So you can learn DSA and you can start applying. अंश प्लीज BGMI annually lead code का use करोगे दिव्यांश शर्मा. What about .env? See, .env, like I have given, I think, .env samples in my backend. If you see backend, you can see I have given a .env sample. This will be downloaded, and you just need to replace it with your own localhost, those things. Fine. So, all right, everyone, I'll wrap it up now. And thanks for joining this stream. And if you liked my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. It means a lot. Rahul, when did you pass out from your college? I completed my BTech back in 2023. INLE. Okay, Ansh, please. Yep. So, alright, everyone, I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining, watching this stream. And if you like this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take